The number of coronavirus deaths in the United States crossed 300,000 on Monday, according to Reuters tally. The staggering death toll comes as the nation begins a historic inoculation campaign using a vaccine developed by Pfizer and BioNTech. Daily coronavirus cases and deaths have set records multiple times since the Thanksgiving holidays. Last week was the deadliest in the United States since the pandemic began, as 17,000 Americans died from the virus in 1 week alone. With the rise in cases across the nation, many hospital intensive care units have run out of beds, and the crisis is also affecting healthcare workers.
I cry. There are times when I cry in the car. I'm sorry. Having to see my family, explaining to them why maybe I'm not emotionally ready or prepared to be sharing a dinner with them, or why I'm not there with them because I have to stay here long hours. They say they understand, but in reality, when a 16-year-old needs his mother and she's not there, it's difficult.
On Monday, Sandra Lindsay, a New York City intensive care unit nurse, became the first person in the U.S. to receive a coronavirus vaccine. And in Washington, D.C., Health and Human Services Secretary Alex Azar was on hand for the inoculations of some of the first frontline workers at George Washington University Hospital. Meanwhile, Dr. Anthony Fauci, the nation's top infectious disease expert, said that while the vaccine would provide much-needed relief, the crisis would not end anytime soon.
I don't believe we're going to be able to throw the masks away and forget about physical separation and congregate settings for a while, probably likely until we get into the late fall and early next winter.
Healthcare professionals and nursing home residents will be the first to get the two-dose vaccine, with essential workers, elderly people, and individuals with chronic health conditions next in line. It will take several months before vaccines become widely available to the public, and health officials have warned Americans to remain diligent about social distancing and the wearing of face masks to curb virus transmissions.